Tingin.
Ayaw, di ma.
Oo, naglalabing-labing.
Ito nga pala yung mga kaganapan before kami pumunta ng Taipei 101 at nakita ang landmark ng Taiwan. Hi! Hello guys! I'm Anne and guess what? I'm almost 3 years here in Taiwan. Can you imagine parang kailan lang when I left the Philippines? Full of hopes and fears. Trying to figure out life as an OFW. Fast forward to now, I've adjusted, learned, grown, and finally, one of my dreams come true. Kakasama ko ang family ko dito sa Taiwan kahit sandali lang. Well, backstory, last February, my heart was so full because Daddy visited me here for the very first time. Bilang si Daddy, kasama rin sila Tito, si Tita, and syempre si Ate Tin bilang tinulungan natin siya na mag-apply sa Taiwan kaya dalawa na kami ditong teachers. So, kompleto ang barkada at family. And here's the fun part. Wala talaga sa plano yung pagpunta namin sa Taipei. Hindi pa agad-agad dapat pupunta ng Taipei. I just blurted out one day. Sabi ko, tara, diretso na lang tayo sa Taipei. Alam mo yung parang biro lang na hindi mo akalain magiging totoo. And to my surprise, sige, let's go, sabi nila. Ay,
Pakitag ng kaibigan mong kaladkari.
biglaan, walang matibay na itinerary. But sometimes the best memories come from the most spontaneous plans.
Medyo kapag nagmamadali kayo and on the spot kayo mag-book, pwede itong just live-in hotel.
Guess what? After ilang rounds ng magbubook ba tayo or hindi, nagsaya, nag-explore, at syempre nagpa-cute. Yes, don't judge. Kahit OFW tayo, minsan kailangan magpaka-main character din. Well, realization time. Most of the time, tayo yung umaalis. Tayo yung nagpapasensya, nagpapakatatag, nagpapakabait sa homesickness. But this time, silang minamahal ko yung lumalapit sa akin. They flew all the way here, not just to visit Taiwan, but to see me, to be with me, and to make memories together. Hosting my dad here, showing him my world, and letting him experience the place
I now call home.
it's one of the best feelings ever. It's a reminder that everything I've been working hard for, my purpose. May bunga. May moments na ganito. May moments where I'm not just an OFW, but a daughter who can finally give back kahit in simplest ways. And dalawa yung rooms na binook namin. Yung una is couple for 2, yung tito at tita ko magkasama sa room. Anyways, to all my fellow OFWs, I know it's not always easy, but I hope you also get your own version of this. A surprise, a visit, a simple hug from a loved one, because we all deserved it. Ito nga pala yung breakfast check namin, braised pork rice. And after namin kumain ng breakfast, pumunta na agad-agad kami para mag-shopping sa ilalim ng Taipei Main Station. Yes, you heard it right. Sa ilalim ng Taipei Main Station. I'm very happy kasi sa simple ways na ganito ay naibibigay ko yung mga needs and wants ni Dad. Tapos ayan, unti-unti na kaming pumupunta or nag-iintay kami dito ng taxi or what we call here na Uber taxi. Kasi mas mura yung Uber compared sa talagang taxi. So, naghihintay kami dyan and yung mood, pure excitement. Halo-halo, may music, may tawanan, may tanong na anong oras na kaya tayo makakarating? Makikita na ba natin yung building? Uy, ayan na yung dulo ng Taipei 101. Every few minutes, may sumisigaw, ayan na! Joke lang, hindi pa pala. So, nasa labas pa lang kami ng taxi, ramdam ko na yung excitement ng mga kasama ko. Biyahe na kami papuntang Taipei 101. Lahat nakaabang sa bintana parang mga bata. Ako naman, syempre, tahimik lang minsan pero deep inside. Wow, is this really happening? Ayan na! Yung dati ko lang dinadaan-daanan mag-isa ngayon, kasama ko na yung family ko. Iba talaga yung feeling, iba yung warm sa puso. After that, pumasok kami sa loob para mag-sightseeing. Hindi na kami nabigyan ng chance na umakit sa taas kasi medyo may kamahalan yung ticket doon sa pataas ng Taipei 101. Anyways, at last na dito na kami sa harap ng Taipei 101. 1, 2, 3, click, nagpicture, nagvlog, and syempre nagsayaw sa harap ng landmark. Main character energy talaga kahit kinikilig at nahihiya. Ay, hindi nahihiya. Sabi nga nila, you only live once, kaya go lang. Kaya kung may pangarap ka, isama mo rin ang pamilya mo. Success feels even more meaningful when shared with people who prayed for you, raised you, and believed in you. So keep dreaming, keep going, but never walk alone. Walk with your family and always walk with God. Yun lang. God bless everyone.